CNN prosecutors in California plan to drop charges against a surgeon and his girlfriend who were accused of drugging and raping women, Orange County District Attorney Todd Spitzer said Tuesday.
Dr. Grant Robichaud, 39, and his girlfriend Sarissa Riley, 32, had been charged in September 2018 by the county's previous district attorney of using their good looks, charm, and drugs to lure women home to rape while they were unconscious or semi-conscious.
The couple and their attorneys had repeatedly denied the accusations.
The case made international headlines and was an issue in the 2018 election for Orange County District Attorney, when Spitzer challenged incumbent Tony Ratzkauskas.
Grant Robichaud and Sarissa Riley.
Spitzer said a team of prosecutors he assigned to review the case after he was sworn into office concluded there was insufficient evidence to prove the cases beyond a reasonable doubt.
Read more.
Close dialogue. Sign up for CNN's Meanwhile in America, a daily analysis of U.S. politics for global readers. Sign me up. No thanks. By subscribing, you agree to our privacy policy. Sign up for CNN's Meanwhile in America, a daily analysis of U.S. politics for global readers. Please enter above. Sign me up. No thanks. By subscribing, you agree to our privacy policy. You're on the list for CNN's Meanwhile in America, a daily analysis of U.S. politics for global readers. Close dialogue.
Spitzer said his office will go to court to seek a dismissal of the charges.
Ratzkauskas, who was the Orange County District Attorney in 2018, said then that investigators had found hundreds of videos of women in various states of consciousness on Robichaud's phone. Many of the women seemed unable to consent to a sexual act and many videos included Riley, Ratzkauskas said.
Ratzkauskas estimated more than 1,000 videos were on the phone and said then that there might be many unidentified victims out there.
Spitzer said prosecutors combed through a trove of evidence, including photographs, videos, text messages and transcripts of interviews with alleged victims.
There is not a single piece of evidence or video or photo that shows an unconscious or incapacitated woman being sexually assaulted. Not one, he said.
Questions swirl about investigation of California couple accused of drugging and raping women.
Spitzer accused Ratzkauskas of missteps and of using the high-profile case to help his bid for re-election for district attorney.
I didn't create this situation, but it's my responsibility to fix it, an emotional Spitzer said at a news conference.
Doing justice is not always pretty. It's not pleasant many times. This is not pleasant at all, he said. But these are important decisions that affect people's lives.
In a statement Tuesday, Ratzkauskas said he believed the women's complaints based on the evidence he had before leaving office.
I just feel terrible for the women who had the courage to come forward and give their evidence to the authorities in this case, his statement said.
It's hard for them to make these reports about things that were so very humiliating in the first place, then have to relive the pain, he said. Certainly, any prosecutor should think long and hard before dismissing such a case where multiple women have independently come forward and subjected themselves to the hard process of bearing their souls to the authorities.
Thomas M. Furlauto, who represented Robichaud and Riley, thanked Spitzer.
He made a very courageous decision. It was the right decision, but one that might expose him to criticism, he said of the district attorney in an email.
Grant and Sarissa's lives were destroyed by the prior administration's misuse of the justice system, Furlauto said.
He referred a request for comment to the couple's publicist. Robichaud, an orthopedic surgeon, was featured in an episode of Bravo's online dating rituals of the American Male in 2014.